Welcome to mfClassrooms. In part 1 of this tutorial, we will show you how to register on mfClassrooms and log in, set your preferences, view your schedule, book, edit, and cancel lessons online, and view attachments. In part 2, we will cover how to enter and exit your lessons, set your audio and video levels for your lessons, and view previously recorded lessons. You will soon receive an email from mfClassrooms.com asking you to activate your login. Please click on the red button which says, "Enter your new password." From there, you will be directed to the mfClassrooms registration webpage. Please create a password and enter it twice, finishing by clicking on Save. To access this website at any time, you can simply type in www.mfClassrooms.com in your web browser and click on Login located at the top right corner, and enter your email address and the password you just created. If you are using a mobile device or tablet, you will need to go to Menu in the top right corner and go to Login near the bottom of the pop-up menu. The first time you log into mfClassrooms, you will be asked to choose your time zone, your preferred language, whether you would like to be sent notifications, and whether you authorize your lessons to be recorded. It is important that each time you have made your selection for each field, that you press the blue button which says Save. Otherwise, you will stay on this page. You can change your preferences at any time by clicking on MFC Account in the top right-hand corner and select Preferences from the menu. When you log into mfClassrooms, the first page shown is the dashboard page. Here you will see the classes listed in which you are a student, and under My Calendar, your schedule for upcoming lessons. Please click on the blue Calendar button on the far right of the line to view the schedule for each specific class. On the following lesson calendar page, you can view your upcoming lessons, the date of the lesson, and the lesson time. You can view your past schedule by clicking on the menu which says Current Lessons and selecting the month of which you would like to view lessons from. To view your teacher's availability and book a lesson, please log in, and in the dashboard page, click on the blue calendar icon of the class you wish to book a lesson in. On the following lesson calendar page, again click on the blue calendar icon. A pop-up label named Sessions List will guide you. On the Sessions page, you will be able to see your teacher's available time slots for teaching. To add a lesson, please click on the plus sign in line with the session you wish to choose. In the pop-up window, you can choose the start time of the lesson duration, and the recording mode of your lesson. After you click Save, you will be directed back to the lesson calendar page where your lesson will be listed. You will know that your booking has been confirmed by your teacher when the white thumbs up sign has turned blue. You may edit the details of your lesson at any time by selecting the icon with the pad and pencil. To cancel the lesson, please select the red trash can icon at the end of the line. You can also view PDF and video attachments that your teacher may have posted to your lesson by clicking on the paperclip icon, or a video by clicking on the paper with a camera icon. If an attachment is present, the icon will be blue. If not, the icon will be white. To safely finish your session with mfClassrooms, please go to MFC Account in the top right-hand corner and select Log Out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. More detailed information regarding audio and video settings is available in the Guide section of the webpage. If you have any further problems or concerns, please contact assistenza at mfClassrooms.com or phone the assistance hotline +3902 829 57526.